Hey, hi guys. Want to run a powerful AI model locally, which is completely free, private, and able to connect with tools like Google, Facebook, and many more. So stick with me. We're going to explore that. So let's first we need to install Ollama. So Ollama, you okay? Let's download it. Download for window. Okay, it will take a minute. So let's install it. So while it's installing, so as you know, like a cloud-based model, we have a like OpenAI. Most of the people are using that. But right now, if you want to run that on your own machine, I mean, no cloud dependency, no cost, and full control over your data. For that, Ollama is the open source which provide you a multiple models. Will show you. Let's see the models support that Ollama provide. The models. Okay, have you see DeepSeek, Kimi, Llama? There are several, many more. But as we are running this model on our local machine, we need to choose a specific model which support and going to support our tools, because down the line in this video we're going to show that how this LLM going to connect with the external tools. Because if LLM doesn't connect to any tool and sit on your local machine only, then it's a plain simple, you tag something based on their data and the learning they respond back. But the main magic comes when it able to connect with the external tools like your Gmail, your Facebook, and many more. We'll show you that in 3.5. I need to choose a specific model because I need based on my machine configuration. uh, I need to run for demonstration purpose. Okay, so I'm choosing this small size. You based on your configuration you can choose a bigger one, but I'm going to use this only. Okay, so is going to be installed on our machine in a few seconds. PowerShell. So once this is a PowerShell, let's see Ollama. Okay, let's close command prompt. Mark. So see, we have a multiple function: chat with model, launch open claw, launch cloud code, launch open code, and many more. So it means that Ollama is running in our machine. So let's download that model. Okay, this is the command that what we need to run in our CLI. I'll copy it. Okay, go to the next tab. It's the PowerShell only. Okay, it's going to pull and will take around 1 or 2 minutes based on your speed. It will download in next 36 seconds. Okay, the package is yeah. Now we have a this model available. We can provide and ask any question what we want based on their knowledge on which it is trained. They're going to respond. The point is here. This is the there is no cloud dependency, no cost, and full control over your data. Okay, so share your capability. So based on the prompt, it's responding perfectly fine. But yes, it's like on a chatbot. We're going to ask anything and it's going to respond. The main magic comes when it's able to connect with the external tools also. So for that, we need to understand MCP. We have that one repo with us which contain a MCP client through which we can connect. Okay, so we'll show you that and we'll install that. This is the MCP client that you can take a reference, and it's a open source and free to use. Okay, Net- let's copy it. And there is a one command UX. This is the pretty much straightforward. Let's go with this one. You can press a control C to exit it, or you can open a new tab also. I'll open a new tab, and this it's giving me the error that this is not recognized command. So we need to install this. Pip install UV. Okay, I think it's already installed, but it's not recognized. The catch is here. I think this is not mapped to our environment variable path. That's why we are not that the system is not able to recognize. So we need to add. Okay, so let's add a new one. This is the path. Okay, this is the same path except the last folder script. The complete path is the same what we see here till here. You can use a script now let's try to oh, as we just update our environment variable, this the PowerShell which is open before modifying our environment variable, that's why it's not picking it up. Let's open a new one. Okay, then run it. Okay, see it start downloading, and see by default it's going to have this model. We will show you that how it's going to use a different model and how it's going to connect with the MCP server. Now we are going to use a Zapier. Okay, which provide you a which provide you a MCP, and through through that you can integrate with multiple tools. Okay, so as Ollama is a open source, you won't able to see directly mapped here, but you can connect with cloud code, chat gpt and other also. Let's make it other, and we need to consume different. For simplicity, I use my Google Calendar and select all tools in the connect. So it's my email ID which I am going to use for a demo purpose. So it's connected. Let's go and retrieve the complete URL with a token. Okay, this is if you want to see separately. This is the connect to, this is the token. But yeah, the complete URL is this one. Let take it somewhere. I'm fine to show you this token because after some time I'm going to delete this. So I'm not too much worry on this one. See, okay, client. It's going to give you a several commands through which you can connect. You can connect to multiple MC server also, but here we going to connect only the one. Okay, so let's see that out. Where is it? hmm Okay, this is the one. This is the MCP URL. This is the local host and which model that you want to use it. As we already installed this QB, that what I told you that we're going to use this model to connect with our MCP server. So this is the MCP client. This is the server URL. Let's modify it. Okay, so Let's copy it. We need to place it into the code so that it take it as an a complete as an argument. Okay, and the model, we're going to use this one. Okay, so we're going to replace this with this. Okay, now copy the entire one and go to your PowerShell again, paste it and run it. That's it. Okay, it's going to connect and going to show all the tools which is available with this MCP server. As we mapped only the Google, so it's only the Google is visible, and here also it shows like 15 tools. So let's fetch one event. I'll already created a one event uh, to our Google Calendar for today. So let's see it's able to pull out or not. Me the list of Google Calendar events happen today. Okay, let's wait. Okay, see now they try to connect with the calendar, and it's going to ask me that it's okay to fetch that the data from there or not and create the request. So guys, put in a prompt. Proper prompt must be given. So this is the prompt I provide: the fetch all Google Calendar event schedule for today, including this information. So they try to look for all the tools what it can use to pull those out and see the complete information, like what they are trying to do. It's mentioned in the text. After looking into it, it's think that this is the best, and the tool is exposed, best tool exposed, and this is the argument to fetch that one. Okay, so it can't take an action directly by its own, so they need an manual intervention. So oh, there is an error while connecting to Google Calendar. We are facing an issue. So to validate that we able to connect to the MCP server, we'll going to use another tool, which is find a document on a Google Doc. For that, I'll already added a one tool. We have a multiple tool also, but right now we only going to validate that the find a document is working or not. It's the same account that we are using, so we added a one document also, zap document, so that we can provide a prompt as a name of a document and try to look like we able to fetch the document details or not based on the name. See, as you can see now, one tool is added. Previously we have a 15, now it's 16, and the last one is this, the Google Doc find, and the prompt we give as a get Google document named as a zap document. I put it in the specific in the code so that it treated as a single name, and see it start thinking zap document exists, need to check the function requirement parameter. It make a API called document, which is they going to execute this tool. And see, human in loop, we can disable it also, but right now they are seeking a permission to execute that API, or might be a command. So I put in a yes, so it's going to be look and see. We got a response. Here's the owner name is Sachin, and If you go down, 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 we able to see the document details. This is the document detail we have, that the title, that mime type, everything. As it's a blank, so the size is little bit, the blank document, the size what we have. Okay, so it means we able to connect to the Google Doc and able to retrieve that document also. This tool is only to check that the document is exist or not. So Google Doc find a document. So search a documents app in your Google Drive. So we able to fetch and it's a success. The same way you can do other stuffs also. This is all. So that's how you can run a capable LLM locally, connect it with the external tools and enjoy the same advantage as a cloud-based AI. Only the thing is the privacy control and zero cost. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this.